Remove the door cover before connecting to water and electricity. Align the flanges and gaskets at the interface. Then fix it with bolts. The connection here is running water. The same operation. What is connected here is the main drainage. The operation is the same as before. The connection here is pure water. Above the water source. Here the compressed air supply is connected. The power supply is a 3-phase 5-wire system. The 3 on the left are the line of fire. On the far right is the 0 line. The grounding wire is here. Once all the lines are connected, the working indicator is green. If it appears red, swap the positions of any 2 of the 3 live wires. Finally, turn on the master switch. Temperature display, pressure gauge, touch screen, e-stop button, buzzer, switch buttons, printer. These are the structural components of the front door control panel. There are also 2 pressure gauges at the back door of the machine. Run the indicator button. Standby indicator button. The indicator light is on to indicate that the device is in standby mode. Buzzer. Front door status indicator. Rear door status indicator. E-stop button. Rear door opening button. Rear door close button. These are the structural components of the rear door control panel. Click the switch button. The touchscreen lights up. Click Start. Click OK. One more click. Enter the main interface. Click Log Out, Log In. Enter your username and password. Click Log O. Click to Reader. Go back to the main interface. You can see that the run program and auxiliary functions are colored blue. Click Open Door. Wait for the door to open completely. Place the sterilized items on a dedicated shelf. Use a carrier to push the shelves into the sterilization room. The front section of the truck should be buckled to the cylindrical port. Pull the handle of the cart. The front end of the cart opens. The cart is placed in place. Loosen the lock of the shelf. The shelves were smoothly pushed into the sterilization room. Pull the handle of the cart guy. Loosen the front end of the cart. Click Close Door. Wait for the door to close in place. Click Run Program. The system is equipped with 13 sets of prefabricated programs. Choose the right program and click Confirm. The system will enter the program operation confirmation screen. Click Confirm AGI. Enter the process monitoring screen. The program runs. After sterilization is complete, a prompt pops up. To the back door of the device. Click Open the door. Wait for the door to open completely. The shelves are taken out from here. The truck is operated in the same way as before. Pull out the shelves. Place the sterilized items properly. Click Auxiliary Functions. Click Manual Operation. Click Manually. Color change. That is, the current state is manual. The device can be operated manually. Tap Manual again, or tap back to exit manual mode. Change the height of the shelves on the cart. Use a tool to loosen the screws here. Loosen the bottom screw AGI. Turn the column axis. Adjust to the right height. Retighten all the screws.